Welcome. If you've ever saved an audio clip on Instagram and later wondered where to find it, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to view your saved audio on Instagram, updated for the latest version of the app. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account where you've saved your favorite audio tracks. Once you're on the main feed, look to the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap your profile icon. This will take you straight to your profile page, where you can see your posts, followers, and more. Next, in the top right corner, you'll notice a menu icon that looks like 3 horizontal lines. Tap on this menu to open up more options. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled Saved. This section is where Instagram keeps all the posts, reels, and audio clips you've saved over time. It's your personal library of favorites, all in one place. Now you'll see different categories for your saved content. To focus specifically on audio, look for the filter or tab labeled Audio. Tap on it. This will instantly filter your saved items to show only the audio tracks you've saved. Here, you can scroll through all your saved audio clips. Tap on any audio to listen, use it in your own reels, or share it with friends. It's a great way to keep track of trending sounds, favorite music, or audio you want to use later. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can easily access all your saved audio on Instagram. This makes it super convenient to revisit sounds you love or plan your next creative post. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.